Curious about how sausages make it from the farm to your plate? Let's explore the fascinating process behind creating these delicious treats, blending traditional methods with modern technology. The journey of making sausages begins on the farm, where livestock such as pigs, cattle, or poultry are raised. These animals are bred and selected for their quality meat, which is the foundation of a good sausage. Farmers take care in providing the best environment for the livestock, ensuring they are healthy and well-nourished. The diet and living conditions of the animals play a significant role in the flavor and texture of the final product. For instance, pigs might be fed a mix of grains and vegetables, contributing to the quality of the pork. The care given to these animals is reflected in the taste of the sausage, making this initial stage crucial for achieving the desired outcome. Once the livestock reaches the appropriate size and weight, they are humanely harvested. This process is conducted with great care to ensure the welfare of the animals and to maintain the quality of the meat. The animals are transported to processing facilities, where they are handled by trained professionals. The efficiency and care taken during this stage are essential for maintaining the meat's freshness and quality. The meat is then quickly cooled to prevent any degradation, preserving its natural flavors and texture. This step sets the stage for the subsequent processes that will turn raw meat into delicious sausages. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the meat undergoes a thorough inspection. This step ensures that only the highest quality meat is used in sausage production. Inspectors check for any signs of spoilage, disease, or imperfections. This meticulous examination is necessary to ensure the safety and quality of the final product. Any meat that does not meet the standards is discarded, ensuring that only the best cuts are used. This attention to detail helps maintain the reputation of the sausage maker and guarantees that the sausages are both safe to eat and delicious. The selected meat cuts are then sent to the cutting and grinding stage. Here, the meat is cut into smaller pieces and ground to the desired consistency. This process can be adjusted depending on the type of sausage being made, whether it's a coarse grind for a rustic texture or a fine grind for smoother sausages. The grinding also helps in blending the fat with the meat, which is essential for the sausage's flavor and juiciness. The ratio of fat to meat is carefully controlled to ensure the right balance of taste and texture. This preparation stage is key to achieving the perfect sausage mix. Once the meat is ground, it's time to mix in the ingredients. This is where the sausage gets its unique flavor. Spices, herbs, and other seasonings are added to the meat mixture. The blend of ingredients varies depending on the type of sausage being made, whether it's a classic Italian sausage with fennel and garlic, or a spicy chorizo with paprika and chili. The mixing process ensures that the spices and seasonings are evenly distributed throughout the meat. This stage is crucial for achieving consistent flavor in every bite. The mix is then left to rest, allowing the flavors to meld together. In some types of sausages, especially those with a smoother texture, the meat mixture is emulsified. This process involves further grinding and mixing to create a fine, uniform texture. Emulsifying helps in binding the fat and meat together, creating a smooth and cohesive mixture. This is particularly important for sausages like hot dogs or bologna, where a smooth texture is desired. The emulsification process also helps in distributing the seasonings evenly, ensuring that each sausage has the perfect balance of flavors. The result is a mixture that is ready to be stuffed into casings. The next step is stuffing the meat mixture into casings. The casings can be natural, made from animal intestines, or synthetic, made from materials like collagen. Each type of casing has its benefits, affecting the texture and cooking properties of the sausage. The stuffing process requires precision as the casings need to be filled evenly without air pockets. This ensures that the sausages have a uniform shape and size, which is important for cooking evenly. The stuffed sausages are then twisted or tied into links, ready for the next stage of processing. This step is where the sausages start to take their final form. Once the sausages are stuffed, they are linked and cut into individual portions. This step involves twisting the sausages at regular intervals to create links. The links are then cut to the desired length. This process is done by machines that can handle large quantities quickly and accurately. The linked sausages are then placed on racks or trays, ready for cooking or further processing. This step is important for ensuring that the sausages are uniform in size, which helps in cooking them evenly. Proper linking and cutting also make the sausages easier to package and distribute. Cooking the sausages is an essential step in the production process. Depending on the type of sausage, they can be cooked in various ways, such as steaming, boiling, or baking. The cooking process helps to set the shape of the sausages and enhances their flavor. For instance, some sausages are fully cooked during this stage, while others are partially cooked and require further cooking before consumption. The cooking time and temperature are carefully controlled to ensure that the sausages are cooked through without drying out. This step also helps in developing the sausage's flavor and texture. Smoking adds a distinctive flavor to sausages and is a traditional method used in many types of sausage production. The sausages are placed in a smoking chamber where they are exposed to wood smoke. The type of wood used, such as hickory, applewood, or mesquite, imparts different flavors to the sausages. The smoking process not only adds flavor but also helps in preserving the sausages. The duration and intensity of smoking are carefully monitored to achieve the desired flavor profile. This step gives the sausages their characteristic smoky taste and aroma, enhancing their overall appeal. After cooking and smoking, the sausages are cooled and dried. Cooling helps to set the texture of the sausages and makes them easier to handle. The sausages are typically cooled in refrigerated rooms or with the use of cooling equipment. Drying is also an important step, especially for sausages that are intended to be stored for a longer period. The drying process helps to reduce moisture content, which extends the shelf life of the sausages. This step is carefully controlled to ensure that the sausages do not dry out too much, which can affect their texture and flavor. Quality control is an integral part of sausage production. At various stages, the sausages are inspected to ensure they meet the required standards. This includes checking the sausage's appearance, texture, and flavor. The sausages are also tested for any signs of contamination or spoilage. Quality control measures ensure that only the best products make it to the market. This rigorous inspection process helps to maintain the reputation of the sausage maker and ensures that the sausages are safe and enjoyable to eat. Any sausages that do not meet the standards are discarded or reprocessed. Packaging is the final step in the production process before the sausages are shipped to retailers. The sausages are packaged in various ways depending on their type and intended use. For example, fresh sausages may be vacuum sealed to preserve freshness, while smoked sausages may be packed in airtight containers. The packaging process is done with care to ensure that the sausages are protected during transport and storage. Labels are added to provide information about the product, such as ingredients, cooking instructions, and expiration dates. Proper packaging helps to maintain the quality and safety of the sausages. Once packaged, the sausages are ready to be shipped to markets and retailers. The logistics of shipping are carefully planned to ensure that the sausages reach their destination in perfect condition. This involves maintaining the appropriate temperature during transport and handling the products with care. The sausages are distributed to various outlets, including supermarkets, delis, and specialty stores. The goal is to get the sausages to the consumers as quickly and efficiently as possible. By the time the sausages reach the shelves, they are ready for purchase, ensuring that consumers receive fresh, high-quality products. And there you have it, a journey from farm to table, showcasing the intricate process of sausage making. This blend of tradition and technology creates the delicious sausages we enjoy. If you want to explore more exciting stories, watch our next video.